What's going on? So why haven't I noticed this before? I mean, it's been a while since I flew the drone because I've been sick, but the other day, or yesterday, I turned the drone on because I knew I was going to fly it today, and I wanted to like make sure everything was updated and all of that. And let me get this ready, get this situated. Okay, and I noticed something that I never noticed before on the drone. So I'm going to turn this camera around and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. And maybe this has always been there and I just haven't noticed it. I don't know why I haven't, or maybe it happened on an update or something like that. I don't know. If you know, tell me in the comments. But hold on, let me turn the camera around. Okay, so it's my hand, it's my controller, my drone, the screen, which is my cell phone. And it looks pretty dark, but so let me just show you what I'm talking about. See this whole area right here? That's what you normally see from the drone's camera, right? See, that's the drone's view. Moving the drone around, and that is the drone view right there. But this little box down in the bottom where the map is, and I've always known this, you can push on that and expand it and make it bigger. And then now the camera view is down in the corner. But what is different that I have never noticed before was these layers. Just like in Google Maps, you can click on that and you could do a satellite view. I never noticed that before, and it's so cool, right? Because it gives you a satellite view of where you're at. You can see the rooftops of the houses, you can see the river. That's so cool. And then there's like a mixed view, which I think is a mixed view of the satellite and the other one. You can see the streets are all, you know, named out and everything like that. Pretty cool. That is what I'm talking about. That is something new that I just noticed just now. I don't know if is it me? Has it been there forever and I'm just now noticing it, or is it something new? If you know, like I said, make a note in the comments. The other thing that's really pretty cool with these drones is, and then it's had this for a while and I've noticed it, but I think they've improved it. These drones now have the same technology as manned aircraft. So if there's a manned aircraft in your airspace or close by, it will let you know with an audible signal that manned aircraft approaching or fly with caution. And it'll say on your screen, you know, manned aircraft. And it'll show you on your map where the manned aircraft is. So that's pretty cool. It's had that for a while, but whatever. Okay, hold on. I'm switching screens again. So yeah, like I mentioned earlier, I had been sick. I went 2 years through the pandemic and never got sick once. I'm fully vaccinated. I've had one of the boosters. You can still hear it in my voice a little. But yeah, I finally got COVID. And I was down and out for a few weeks. And I haven't been posting a lot of videos, but I'm back, feeling better. So that's what I'm doing. I'm out now, just kind of, yeah, getting back into it, flying the drone, some things like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Scott, and I will see you in the next video.